Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to revise the chapter number. Write down the name of the chapter to which this diagram is related. This is chapter number 2, all about the teeth. Okay, and you will use the chat box to answer the questions. What I ask you, you have to write in the chat box. So, first of all, what do you write down the different functions of teeth? All of you have teeth. Okay. So what are the different functions of teeth? You are writing the types of teeth. I'm not asking about the types. Yes, but what is the function of the teeth? Very good. Chewing. They are used to chew the food. Very good. Cracking, crushing, वो भी chewing का part हो गया. Yes, speaking. Very good. Speaking. Yes, they help to chew the food. Then next, yes, कटिंग भी चूइंग का पार्ट हो जाता है बेटा. बाइटिंग, कटिंग, चूइंग, दिस इज ऑल related to that. yes, speaking. and one more function, three main functions में सबसे पहले function है they help to chew the food. okay, they help to chew the food. जब chew करना होता है तो हम पहले bite लेते हैं, after that we crack it, cut it. okay, then we grind it. All this is called chewing. Clear? Second function. Yes, second function is it help in speaking. Some of the words are not clear when they are clear when we touch the teeth or tongue touches the teeth, then we are able to speak those words. So they help in speaking also. Okay. Then next they help to give shape to the face. जिसके मुंह में टीथ नहीं होते तो उसकी शेप कैसी हो जाती है? लाइक दिस. क्लियर? उसकी प्रॉपर शेप नहीं आती फेस की, तो उसकी जो फेस की प्रॉपर शेप देने में टीथ हेल्प करती हैं. Yes, beta, I'll take the query near the end. This is related to another chapter. So let's revise this first. Otherwise, yes, all these are the different functions of the teeth. Now write down how many sets of teeth do we have? How many sets of teeth do we have? Yes, 2 sets. How many sets? 2. Can you write the name of these 2 sets? Write down the name of these 2 sets of teeth. Number 1. Yes, number 1 is molar. Beta, 2 sets of teeth. Very good. Number 1 is temporary teeth and permanent teeth. What is another name of temporary teeth? Baby teeth, milk teeth also. Okay, baby teeth and permanent teeth. Very good. कुछ बच्चे अभी भी मोलर के नाइन्स लिख रहे हैं. They are the different types of food. Don't get confused. आप समझा करो पहले कि वो क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है मैम ने. टाइप्स और सेट्स में डिफरेंस होता है बेटा. 2 सेट्स में आएंगे टेम्परेरी एंड परमानेंट. जो आप मोलर्स के नाइन्स लिख रहे हो, दीज आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टीथ. ओके, यस. नेक्स्ट इज at what age do we get our first teeth? And our first teeth are called milk teeth, baby teeth, temporary teeth. At what age do we get the first set of teeth? At the age of 6 to 12. ये कुछ बच्चों में 6 मंथ में स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं, कुछ में 5 मंथ्स में, नियर अबाउट 6 to 12. ओके, सो 1 साल के अंदर अंदर जो है बेबी टीथ वो ग्रो होना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. They appears at this set appears at the age of 6 to 12 months. ये स्मॉल साइज होता है इनका, वीक होते हैं. ओके, क्यूट से छोटे छोटे से टीथ होते हैं. And they appear at the age of 6 to 12 months. Okay, and after that they start falling one by one. तो ये टूट जाते हैं और इनकी जगह कौन ले लेता है? Permanent teeth. Okay, Then they start falling one by one and they are replaced by permanent teeth. ओके, तो आपके भी परमानेंट टीथ अब ग्रो हो रहे होंगे, कुछ के तो हो चुके होंगे और कुछ के अभी एक दो बाकी होंगे रिप्लेस होना. नाउ you have to fill in the blanks. First is, most of the kids complete their first set of teeth at the age of 10.
मैम आपकी बात अटक अटक के आ रही है.
Beta, sometime problem is from your side. If it is, then Rajdeep ma'am will tell me. Most of the kids complete their first set of teeth at the age of 3 years. Very good. Okay, 3 years का होने पे सबके परमानेंट टेम्परेरी टीथ है उनका सेट कंप्लीट हो जाता है. Okay, then after that temporary teeth start. Yes, read out the second one. Temporary teeth, they are completed at the age of, at what age we get all the temporary teeth or set of temporary teeth is complete. Okay, at the age of 3 complete ho jate and they start falling at the age of 5 to 6. 5 to 6 पे जो हमारे टेम्परेरी टीथ थे दे स्टार्ट फॉलिंग एंड इन प्लेस ऑफ द टेम्परेरी टीथ नाउ दे विल फॉल वन बाय वन एंड दे आर रिप्लेस्ड बाय परमानेंट टीथ. 5 और 6 होने की एज के बाद जो टेम्परेरी टीथ हैं वो उनकी फॉलिंग स्टार्ट हो जाती है. वन बाय वन उनकी जगह पे न्यू टीथ आ जाते हैं. वी कॉल देम परमानेंट टीथ. At the age of this, most of the kids lose their temporary teeth and they have complete set of permanent teeth at the age of 12 to 13. Good. Okay, जब वो 12 to 13 के हो जाते हैं तब उनके जो है सभी पुराने टीथ टूट जाते हैं. They are replaced by permanent teeth. But उनके जो permanent teeth है at this age वो कितने होते हैं, इधर 20 और 28. उसके बाद वो धीरे धीरे जब वो एडल्ट होते हैं देन दे गेट द फुल 32 नंबर उनका कंप्लीट होता है टीथ का. नाउ टीथ परफॉर्म डिफरेंट फंक्शंस इन द माउथ सच एज होल्डिंग, कटिंग, बाइटिंग, क्रशिंग एंड ग्राइंडिंग. When we have to chew the food, when we have to swallow the food, before swallowing, we cut it, we hold it in the teeth, we bite it, we tear it, we grind it. All this together we call this, what do we call this? Chewing. Very good. Okay, you are writing quick answers. Very good, students. We call this chewing of food. We chew the food in the mouth. After that, we swallow. Okay, some of the students has written they have 29. Okay, must be 28. Okay, 29 थोड़ा लेट स्टार्ट होते हैं ना, मे बी आ गए हों आपके, but most of the students will be having 28. Now next is look at these two sets of teeth. एक साइड पे टेम्परेरी टीथ आपको दिख रहे हैं, दूसरी साइड परमानेंट टीथ. Now you have to differentiate between the teeth. Now I am going to unmute you. I'll ask you to unmute Vansh. Unmute beta. Rajdeep ma'am, kindly allow him. Vansh Verma.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Vansh Verma, beta, unmute yourself and differentiate between the two by looking at these two pictures. Temporary teeth, permanent teeth आपके सामने. Rest of the students can write in the chat box by the time. Okay, Simarpreet has unmuted.
I think he left. Vansh Verma is left.
Okay, beta, don't left. Only unmute होके ये बोलो कि मैम I cannot. Please help me. I'll help you. Simarpreet. Simar, will you answer? Differentiate between temporary and permanent teeth.
Ma'am, no.
No? Yes, आपके सामने I'll help you. Now tell me the number.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
चलो okay, unmute yourself. आपकी problem होगी आपकी side पे. Now Jasmeet, will you unmute बेटा? Will you answer? Unmute yourself. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स लिख रहे हैं कि they want to unmute in the chat box. जी Jasmeet, बेटा first of all tell me the number of, how many number of temporary teeth are there and what is the number of permanent teeth? जी बेटा बोलिए. Number of, turn the mic on first. Turn the mic on.
Ma'am,
जी बेटा बोलिए. How many temporary teeth are there? It is in front of you. सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है.
Ma'am, can I speak?
चलो ओके बोलिए.
Ma'am, temporary teeth are. Can I?
यस बेटा आपकी भी
32.
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है. यस
Ma'am, can I?
यस विनय बोलिए.
Ma'am, temporary teeth are 20 in number. Ma'am, permanent teeth are 32 in number.
वेरी गुड. ओके सब कुछ आपके सामने लिखा हुआ है. नंबर ऑफ टेम्परेरी टीथ 20 है. नंबर ऑफ परमानेंट टीथ इज 32. Second, you have to tell which teeth you are able to look in the permanent teeth but they are absent in the temporary teeth. Yes, आपको दिख रहे हैं. Some teeth are green in color.
Can I speak?
Yes. Yes, Avni. Name the teeth which are shown green in color. Green में कौन से teeth हैं? This one. These are.
Ma'am, these are. Can I?
No बेटा. These are incisors. जो हमारे फ्रंट टीथ हैं जिनसे हम बाइट करते हैं वो कौन से? इंसाइजर्स. इनका सरफेस देखो. हाँ इंसाइजर्स. एंड इंसाइजर्स के दोनों साइड एक एक, दोनों जो आपको रेड कलर में दिख रहा है, पिंकिश रेड है, दिस इज canine. This is canine. They are sharp. Okay, they help to tear the food. तो ये इधर भी है, दोनों साइड हैं. ग्रीन कलर इधर भी है और इधर भी है. ये रेड कलर इधर भी है और इधर भी है. बट मिसिंग कौन सा है? विच कलर इज मिस्ड इन द टेम्परेरी?
Yellow.
येलो. तो येलो वाले कौन से हैं?
Yellow.
बेटा सभी
Premolars.
करो. Can
Chat
you
box.
hello?
Please write in chat box.
Yes, some students are writing very good. Bhumi, Niti, they are writing correct. Yes, these are premolars. So we don't have premolars in temporary set of teeth. We have premolars only in the permanent set of teeth. And then in the permanent teeth, number of teeth is 32. Temporary में कितने होते हैं? Only 20. And one more difference is there कि the permanent teeth are strong, okay, but the temporary teeth are weak. Temporary teeth small in size as compared to permanent teeth. Okay. So now you have to tell me how many incisors are there in each jaw. 2 jaws are there. देखो ये ऊपर वाला jaw है और ये कौन सा है? नीचे वाला jaw है. Each jaw you have to count the incisors. These are incisors. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many incisors in the each jaw? 4. आप 8 लिख रहे हो, that is wrong. That's why I'm asking these things again and again. You don't understand what am I asking. I've said each jaw है तो 4. Like this is 1, 2, 3, 4. और next 4 तो नीचे वाले jaw में है 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of incisors 8. But when we are asking each jaw, so this is 4. Now tell me how many canines in each jaw. This is canine 1, 2. तो each jaw में अब फिर से आप 4 लिख रहे हो. 2. Niti has answered correct. Yes, 1, 2. Each side incisors के each side on incisors, next to incisors, both sides पे क्या होते हैं? 1 canine on each side of incisors. The total number of incisors in each jaw 2. 1, 2. अगर टोटल इंसाइजर्स टोटल कैनाइंस पूछे, टोटल कैनाइंस कितने हैं? 1, 2. टोटल कैनाइंस इन ईच जॉ 4. ईच जॉ 2, टोटल 4. If I'm asking, write the number of canines in each jaw, तो 2. If I'm asking number of canines in total, then it is 4. So you have to write it carefully. Now write down the number of premolars. Next to canine, 2 premolars on each side. Okay, ये canine है तो 1, 2. 2 on this side, 2 on this side. These are 2. तो total कितने हो गए? अभी भी आप नंबर गलत लिख रहे हो. अब लिखा है. Yes, Aisha, good. Niti is writing very good. 4. 4 in each jaw. Next to canine, 2 premolars this side, 2 premolars this side. Total number of premolars each jaw 4. अगर मैं पूछती हूँ कि you have to write the number of premolars in total, then it is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number 8, 4 in each jaw. Clear? And molars. Molars in each jaw 6. 1, 2, 3 this side. 1, 2, 3 this side. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, and they are the broadest. सबसे ज़्यादा broad होते हैं. They help to chew the food. They help to grind the food. Okay. We chew the food with the help of these molars. They are 6 in each jaw and total number is 12. Okay? अब आपको number clear हो गया? Some of the students, they don't listen carefully. Now look at these pictures. Now you have to write recognize the teeth which is given at number 1. Number 1 place पे जो आपको teeth दिख रहा है, write the name of this. How can you recognize this? Yes, canine. Very good. Some students, Vinay is not incisor. Yes, Arnav, good. Niti is very quick to answer. Mankaran, ठीक है. Dhruv, very good. देखो ये आपने क्या देखना है कि यहाँ पे sharp है ऊपर से. देखो ऐसे बनाना है आपने. If you have to draw the diagram, तो इसको आपने सिर्फ sharp बनाना, pointed. This is pointed. And name of this is canine. Now you have to write the function of canine. For what purpose it is used? You are not typing, Suzanne.
Tearing.
Yes, beta, tearing is the function. They help to tear the food. Concentrate, listen carefully and take the part in chat. Okay. It is used for tearing. Now write down the number, recognize this teeth which is given at number 2. What is the name of this? Recognize this teeth, premolar. Very good. अब आपको समझ लगी है because this is broad. How can you recognize this? This is broad. And what is the function of this? It is used to, this is not molar, just stage. This is premolar. Yes, this is not used for tearing. Tearing के लिए canines होते हैं. Premolar, cracking and crushing. Very good. Premolar is used for cracking and crushing the food. Now recognize this. 3 number पे. Recognize the
Excuse me,
teeth. जी बेटा.
ma'am, your voice is not clear.
बेटा problem may be from your side. Sometimes net problem होती है. Then it is there. Yes, molar is there. Okay, very good. Molars are used for. They are used for. Write it. Stage you are writing. Beta, mute yourself. Just stage you are writing wrong, beta. This is molar. It is used for grinding, chewing and grinding the food. Molar is used for grinding. Very good. Now recognize the fourth. How can देखो मोलर को आप recognize करेंगे. It is the broadest. सबसे broad होगा. And this is not pointed. Better mute yourself. Write it in the chat box if you want to say something. Okay, surface is not pointed. It is incisor, and function of incisor is it is used for biting. जब आप bite लेते हो, then you use the incisors. Now these are the 4 types of teeth. You can look at them carefully. जब आपने ड्रॉ करना है तो सबसे पहले इसका आपने ऊपर वाला पार्ट ड्रॉ करना है, क्राउन. These are not difficult. These are very easy to differentiate, to draw. Clear? आपने ध्यान से देखना है. अगर कैनाइन ड्रॉ करना है तो पॉइंटेड. अगर आपने इंसाइजर ड्रॉ करना है तो उसको पॉइंटेड ड्रॉ नहीं करना. और अगर आपने मोलर ड्रॉ करना है तो ब्रॉडेस्ट, सबसे ज्यादा ब्रॉड ड्रॉ करना है तो प्री मोलर्स को आपने ब्रॉड और मोलर को ब्रॉडेस्ट, उससे भी ज्यादा ब्रॉड ड्रॉ करना है. ऑर्डर जरूरी नहीं है, आपने ऑर्डर में ड्रॉ करना है. ऑर्डर कोई भी हो सकता है. रूट नीचे बाद में ड्रॉ करो, पहले ऊपर वाला क्राउन. यस, नेक्स्ट इज लुक एट दिस इमेज. आपको मैंने बोला था कि इसको ड्रॉ करना सीखना है और इसको लेबल करना सीखना है. मैंने बोर्ड पे आपको अच्छे से बताया था हाउ टू ड्रॉ इट. सबसे पहले आपने इसका जो नीचे रूट वाला पार्ट है उसको ड्रॉ करने के लिए आपने ऐसे W बनाना है. W बनाकर ऊपर आपके इसमें आपने 3 लेयर्स बना देनी है. क्लियर? इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट, इट्स वेरी इजी. ओके, तो आप सबसे पहले आप इसकी डिफरेंट लेयर्स को ड्रॉ करोगे. यस, और सबसे पहले नेम दिस पार्ट ऑफ द टूथ. व्हाट इज दिस? यस, राइट डाउन. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज इनेमल. गुड. एंड साइड में इसके फटाफट से राइट डाउन द फंक्शन ऑफ इनेमल. Function of enamel is it is the hardest part of the tooth and it protects. इसका function है protection. It is the hardest substance in the body. Okay, it is used to protect the inner parts of the tooth. जो नीचे वाली layers हैं, it helps to protect the layers under this. Okay, दिलशान, don't write this. जो आप लिख रहे हो. Now, this is enamel, hardest part. Its function is protection of inner layers. Now, write down the number 2. Which part of the teeth is this? Which layer of the teeth is this? Dentine. Very good. And function of dentine? It is used to protect the pulp. Even it is also hard. It is hard, but it is soft than enamel, but even hard than the bone. Bone से भी ज़्यादा strong होती है, but enamel से थोड़ा कम soft, थोड़ा सा कम hard होती है. Dentine. What is the function of dentine? It protects the inner pulp. Okay. Then name the innermost layer of the tooth. Innermost layer of the tooth is pulp. It is soft part. It is delicate. That's why it is protected by two upper layers, dentine and enamel. And it contains blood vessels and nerves. येलो कलर में आपको nerves दिख रही है, रेड एंड ब्लू में blood vessels. Clear? So blood vessels are there to carry blood to the teeth, to nourish the teeth, to provide food to the teeth, and nerves make it sensitive. With the help of nerves, we can feel the heat, hot, cold, pain, etc. Okay, so these nerves, they carry messages to the brain. They are attached to the brain to feel if pain is there, if you have eaten something cold, hot, what is there here. Now you have to write number 4. What is this? One thing more, these three are the different layers of teeth. Now these are the different parts of teeth, two parts of teeth. The outer part of the teeth is called crown. Okay, जो white color का part आपको दिखता है, which is outside the gum, that is called crown, and the part which is inside the gum, that is called root. Okay, this is root. Function of root is to hold the teeth in the gum. Function of the root is, write down the function of the root. It helps to hold the teeth in the jaw. Gums are present in the jaw and gum provides seal to the teeth. Okay, वो sealing करते हैं teeth की, and gums are present in the jaw. तो जो roots हैं, they goes up to the jaw, they fix the teeth in the jaw. Clear? So this is all about the structure of teeth. Give maximum practice, learn how to draw and how to label it. This is the structure, you can easily understand, you can easily draw it. अगर आपको वो डिफिकल्ट लग रही है तो आप इस डायग्राम से भी इजीली अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हो. Enamel is hardest substance. It protects the dentine. Dentine is below the enamel, protects the pulp. Pulp is sensitive because it has nerves. And gum provides seal to the tooth. And teeth has two parts. Tooth has two parts, crown and root. Okay, so you can easily describe the structure of tooth. Good. Now next is, what do you mean by plaque? Plaque क्या है बेटा? Write it. Don't leave the message if you have filled the attendance. Concentrate what we are doing in the class. Plaque is when you don't clean the teeth properly, food particles, they get stuck in between the teeth and there is the formation of a sticky layer on the teeth, yellowish layer. आप जब brush नहीं करते हो properly, so there may be the yellow sticky layer on the teeth in which microbes grow. Microbes eat on the feed, on the food which is present in between the teeth, which stuck in between the teeth, which stuck on the layer, in the layer of the, in the yellow layer, in the sticky layer on the teeth. This is called plaque. So what is plaque? Yellow sticky layer on the teeth. And what causes the formation of cavity? When you don't clean the teeth properly, when you eat the food which contain enough sugar, so plaque formation will be there. Food will stuck in between the teeth. Bacteria will eat those food particles which stuck in between the teeth. When they eat this food, then they produce the acid. They produce the acid in the form of waste. This acid forms the hole in the teeth, which is called cavity. First of all, hole is formed in the enamel, then it will reach the dentine, and then it will reach the pulp. When it reaches the pulp, beta mute yourself, Sahaj. When it reaches the pulp, it is very painful and teeth is prone to the infection. Bacteria will reach the pulp. Okay, जो food खाओगे, it may reach the pulp and it is very painful. Then you need to remove the teeth. So cavities should be treated before it reaches the dentine or pulp. Okay, root canal treatment is there. We should go to the dentist for that. If you have a cavity, then it should be treated. Clear? We should take care of the teeth. We should brush the teeth properly. We should brush it 2 times, twice a day. And we should brush properly. Okay, should not be a formality कि मम्मा ने कहा ब्रश कर लो तो फटाफट से ब्रश कर लिया. You have to brush the teeth properly and wash your face, clean the teeth after every meal with the water. Now flossing should be done with the help of a clean thread. The process of removing food particles which stuck in between the teeth with the help of a fine thread is called flossing. ये क्या हो रहा है? Flossing. We can remove the food particles which cannot be removed by the brush. So they can be removed by using a fine thread. This process is called flossing. Clear? And we should avoid the chocolates, sugary foods. We should clean our tongue also by using a tongue cleaner. Okay? So we should reach the dentist for regular checkups. This is all about today. Now if any queries here, so you can ask me.